So what's up guys? Today is part 3 of 360 platformer. It's been a bit, but I'm back. And today in this episode I'm gonna show you guys how to make jumping pad. And after that I'm pretty sure there are some addition you can make, but I'm pretty sure that is most of the addition you can make to the 360 platformer. So after this I don't think there's gonna be any more 360 episodes, but we'll see. And it's gonna be pretty short because technically the only thing I'm going to do is the jump pad, and it's not hard actually. So for the jump pad, the all you gotta do is just uh yeah, let's duplicate the sprite and we can get rid of this. I don't think we need this. Yeah, we don't need this. That is the respawn thingy, so you don't need it. We can name it jump pad, and yeah, it's all good. With the level, what you're gonna do though is you can create your jump pad. Well, it says trampoline in the thumbnail, but doesn't mean it has to be trampoline. I'm gonna make it jump pad because you can. That's gonna be my jump pad. It's pretty big, so I think I should make it smaller actually. Like here and here. And obviously you're gonna put it in the spot you want, but for time efficiency, I'm gonna do plus negative 50 to this, which what this will do is basically make it so that this isn't actually here, it's like somewhere over here, like stuff like that. Now if we go, see, where should it be in this giant circle? Ooh, oh no, I don't think it actually exists right now. Because, yeah, it's like, oh, right there somewhere. But I don't see it, so yeah, it's not here. Everything should be working fine, or is it not? Seems like it's in the right spot, I think. So yeah, it says it's like here somewhere. Now it's like here. It's here. It's now here. It's here. Okay, so okay, this is messed up. Oh, and this, by the way, in the last episode, this was too high, so I'll bring it down a bit so I can jump over it and not die. Yeah, so this doesn't exist, and that's the problem. You want it to exist. Then what we're gonna do, let's get rid of this, and then see if now it exists in the correct spot, which is between the two spikes. Yeah, I think it's like behind this right now. Make it go to the front layer then. Yeah, it's right there. That's why we couldn't see it. It was behind the level. Bring it up a bit. And we can sort of move it here. Don't know if we can see it if it's there when it's there. Just go check. If we can't, let's bring it up more. Oh, there it is. There it is. I think I can put it right here. I think there's space here, so. Currently, this does nothing. And it really shouldn't do anything. So that's great. The rotation's a bit weird. Yeah, let's just say that's good. And I can switch this back to back layer. Now if we go check edit, it should be, oh my god, right over here, like that. And that is what we want. Now what we're going to do is go to the player and go to control for Everloop. If touching the jump pad, like that, we can broadcast jump pad. Like that. And then we go to levels, and now we go when I receive jump pad, and we go to variables, set y velocity to something like -16. Or it could be a smaller value, like through a bigger negative value, which will make it jump higher and like that. Now we can jump like that. But when we jump like this, we jump about this much. When we go close to it, it'll just automatically make you jump. And then it makes you jump that much, which is significantly higher. Yeah. You guys can make it go higher. It's not a problem at all. Let's try this actually. -20. Oh yeah, that's actually jumping really far now. And yeah, that is how jumping pads work. It's very easy. And if you don't know why we have to do it in the level like this, is because the y velocity variable is for the sprite only. So yeah, that is how you will want to make the jump pad. And that's, yeah, it's pretty easy and all. And if you guys want to like know how to make other stuff in this 360 and I forgot about it and you need help, you can totally leave it in the comments below and I'll check it out and make a video about it. So if you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you didn't, hit that subscribe button and like button. If you don't get what I mean, just hit that subscribe button and like button because it helps me out a lot. And see you in the next episode of the Coding Stickman tutorials, or should I name it like that or not? Yeah. See you.